Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Instagram trending head cut out reels effect. The one where it looks like your head opens up and then reveals what's inside your mind. This is a step-by-step guide using CapCut that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then just create a new project. And after that, just import your background. This can be anything that you like. And then after that, just import a photo of yourself for the head cut out. I recommend using a half body or close up photo so the effect will look clean and realistic. And then in here just upload a cut out photo. Just import it as an overlay. Like this, and then just resize it as you like. For example, I will just make it like this. Okay, maybe like this. And then next, just duplicate the photo. Just duplicate it and then just make it on, and then next just make it an overlay over the first image like this. And then next just tap on the one of the overlay and then go to mask, then just choose horizontal and then just adjust it so only the top of your head is visible. For example, like this over here. And then just select at the bottom photo and then go to mask again and then just horizontal, choose horizontal again and then rotate it like this. And then just adjust the mask to the remaining part of the head that first overlay didn't cover. This will create the head's opening effect like this. And then on the top cutout, just move slightly to give animations with keyframes like this. Just add keyframes at the start and then on the middle just move to the up. For example, like this. Okay, like this. And then next just import the objects or items that you want to appear inside your head. In this tutorial I will just, for example, like this, just input anything that you want. I will just duplicate it. And then just arrange them behind the top layer of your head so they are hidden at the first. And then use keyframes again, just animate them like start small behind the head and then just enlarge and move them out as if they are popping out of your head. And then just animate them back to their original positions. Okay, like this. And once everything is animated, your video will look like this. Okay, like this. Next, you can adjust the positions again or just resize and then adjust the size, easing of its keyframes to make it smooth. And you can also add music or sound effects to make your reel more engaging. Okay, there you have it, a trending Instagram head cut out reels that shows what's inside your minds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!